Are you looking to streamline your scheduling process and set up recurring sessions and practice better? This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and why it might not always be the best option for everyone, especially if you have unique scheduling needs. Stick around till the end, where I'll introduce you to a few great alternatives that might be better suited to your needs. Let's jump right in. First, to schedule recurring sessions and practice better, log into your account and head to the Appointments section. Once there, click Add Appointment. Here, you'll see the option to create a new session. Next, set up the appointment details like client name, session type, and time. You can customize this based on your needs, whether it's a consultation, coaching session, or therapy appointment. Now, the key part. Instead of just saving the session, look for the recurrence option. This is where Practice Better really shines for users who need regular sessions with clients. You can set your recurring sessions on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This feature is essential if you want to make sure your sessions repeat automatically without the need for manual setup each time. The next thing you'll do is select how many times you want the session to repeat. You can set this for a specific number of occurrences or let it run indefinitely until you decide to stop it. This flexibility is one of Practice Better's main selling points for those who deal with a lot of regular bookings. But here's where it gets tricky. While recurring sessions are great, Practice Better doesn't always make it easy to adjust or cancel these sessions once they're set. If you need to make changes to a recurring series, like shifting the time or updating a client's details, it's not always as straightforward as it should be. You may have to manually adjust each session individually, which can be a time sink if you have dozens or even hundreds of recurring bookings. Next thing, another small downside with Practice Better is the lack of flexibility when it comes to integrating with external calendars. If you're someone who uses Google Calendar or another third-party calendar app for your schedule, syncing can sometimes be a bit clunky, and that could throw off your whole scheduling process. Moving on, let's talk about the notification system. Practice Better does provide reminders for recurring appointments, but it's not as robust as some users might need. You can't always customize notifications to the level of detail that some other platforms offer. So, what are the alternatives if Practice Better's recurring session feature doesn't quite fit your needs? Well, I've got a few great options for you. If you want something that offers a bit more flexibility with recurring sessions and better calendar integration, I'd recommend checking out other software like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly. These tools let you create recurring appointments with even more customization. They offer smoother third-party calendar integrations, and adjusting recurring sessions tends to be much easier. Plus, both platforms give you powerful client management features, allowing you to send detailed reminders and notifications, which can be a huge time saver. Finally, I've got something special for you. If Practice Better has caught your eye, or you're ready to try one of the alternatives I mentioned, I've arranged for an exclusive extended free trial for you. You'll get access to all of the premium features without paying a cent. But remember, the alternatives I shared also offer free trials, and some might even be a better fit for your needs, so make sure you check out all your options before making a final decision. The best part? By using the link in the description, you'll unlock special benefits only available to our viewers, ensuring you get the best deal and the most value from your software. Check it out now and start managing your appointments more effectively today.